Hello and welcome to this video on how to get millions of traffic to your website with ChatGPT. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your website. In this video, we'll share some tips on how to use ChatGPT to get more traffic to your website. Section 1. Understanding ChatGPT. Let's start by understanding what ChatGPT is. ChatGPT is a language model developed by OpenAI that can generate natural language responses to human inputs. It is based on the GPT 3.5 architecture and is trained on a vast corpus of text data. Section 2. Using ChatGPT to generate content. One of the ways you can use ChatGPT to drive traffic to your website is by using it to generate content. You can input a topic or keyword related to your niche, and ChatGPT will generate a natural language response that you can use as a basis for a blog post, video script, or social media post. For example, if you run a website on gardening, you could input a keyword like organic gardening into ChatGPT, and it will generate a response that you can use as a basis for a blog post on organic gardening. This can help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently, which can drive traffic to your website. Section 3. Using ChatGPT to optimize your content. Another way you can use ChatGPT to drive traffic to your website is by using it to optimize your content. ChatGPT can help you identify relevant keywords, phrases, and questions that you can include in your content to make it more search engine friendly. For example, if you input a topic like how to start a business into ChatGPT, it can generate a list of relevant keywords and questions that you can include in your content. This can help you optimize your content for search engines, which can drive more traffic to your website. Section 4. Using ChatGPT to engage with your audience. Finally, you can use ChatGPT to engage with your audience and drive traffic to your website. You can integrate a chatbot powered by ChatGPT on your website, which can engage with visitors, provide customer support, and direct them to relevant pages on your website. For example, if someone visits your website and has a question about a product or service, the ChatGPT-powered chatbot can provide them with a natural language response and direct them to the relevant page on your website. This can help improve user experience and drive more traffic to your website. Conclusion. In conclusion, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool to drive traffic to your website. You can use it to generate content, optimize your content for search engines, and engage with your audience. Remember to focus on creating high-quality content and providing value to your audience. With consistent effort and a strategic approach, you can use ChatGPT to get millions of traffic to your website. Thank you for watching.